This question says calculate the distance that an object moves if a force of 164 newtons results in a total energy applied to the box of 19,500 joules. So remember, it doesn't specifically say work in any of these questions, but it does give you the total energy. Remember, work is an example of energy, so we can say, all right, I've got some sort of box that I'm pushing with 164 newtons of force. I know somehow I'm going to get 19,500 joules out of that. So now I know I'm trying to figure out what the distance that the box has to move is. So how far did it go for that change in energy to occur? So since we're looking at work, we can say work equals force times distance, or we can start to assign our variables. We know that anything that's measured in newtons is an example of a force, so we say F is 164. And we can also say that since this is measured in joules, it has to be an energy, and an energy would be work, 19,500 joules, and that allows us to solve for distance. We can say W equals FD, or rearrange, divide both sides by F, and you get D is equal to W over F. Or in our case, we would have distance is equal to 19,500 divided by 164. When you do that division out, you get 118.9 meters. Now we want to make sure what we did is algebraically correct. So we take this unit right here, which is joules, 19,500 joules. Now remember, a joule is a kilogram meter squared per second squared. So we have kilogram meter per squared per second squared, and we divide it by a newton, which is a kilogram meter per second squared. Okay, we want those things to equal our unit of meter. So we look at it, we say kilograms on top, kilograms. Second squared, second squared. 1 meters, meters squared. So the squared term goes away, and our unit matches up.